Hi there, thanks very much for spending the time to watch this Roulette Sonar demo. The reason I've produced this video, and it's only a basic video, is because we're currently working on a full automation update for this software, and I really wanted to get that update in before I actually release Roulette Sonar for sale. It's taken me longer than I thought it would to get this update finished. So I've just decided in the interim, because we've got a massively growing email list and people asking me questions every single hour about what the software does and how it works. So I thought I'd just give you a very, very quick demo to show you what it's all about. In essence, what Roulette Sonar is a high-tech piece of software that will monitor a roulette game for you and alert you when certain patterns and certain situations appear that should give you a return on investment. It basically reduces the risk factor of the bets that you're placing in roulette. I will tell you one thing, and this is the one thing you do need to remember, that it does not eliminate risk from playing roulette. And if there is a progression or a system or a piece of software that is claiming that that's the case, that all that's going to happen is you're going to win with this software, it is fake, it is phony, and it is a scam. Okay, what this software does is designed to completely minimize the risk, and I'll show you how it does that. But make no mistake, this does not eliminate all risk of playing a game like roulette because it's random. Okay. So I've got it set up anyway, and let's get started. I'm going to roll the software now, and what Roulette Sonar is actually going to do is it's going to spin the wheel for us, and we're in fast play, which is why these numbers are appearing pretty quickly. And I'm not touching anything, I'm just watching the screen, the same as you guys right now. It's rolling out the numbers. There's no bet in this particular casino. We're playing a real money casino here, but I don't actually have to bet. It's a zero bet each time. So we're not spending any money spinning it each time. So here we go, it's kicked in with its first alert. It's identified that a certain pattern that I call the double dome has appeared, and it's stopped the play. So that allows me now to manually take control of the game and place a bet, which I'm going to. Now this particular progression can normally go up to around 4 or 5 progressions. It won't normally go past that. So for this particular pattern, I'm going to use the martingale progression, which is a risky one. For anybody that's been playing roulette for a while, you'll know that this one can quite easily wipe your bankroll out if you're not careful with it. But on this occasion, I'm going to give it a go because I think we can get to probably 5 progressions and we'll win our money on this one. So see how we go. So there's the first progression. I'm going to bet again, and again I'm not talking you through my strategy here, but I will do in later videos. So we went 2 progressions on that one, which means excuse me, that we've won our pound back. We've won £4 there, but I had to spend £3 to win it. So we're £1 up already. We're 3 minutes into the video, and we're ready to start the software rolling again and see what we can find next. So once again the software is rolling again. It's looking for, I think, around 15 different patterns that it's been programmed for at the moment, and these patterns are all based on a return on investment data model. So we have spent nearly 18 months. It's just spotted a 0, but I'm not particularly interested in zeros for this game, so I'll just continue it rolling again. It's taken nearly 18 months of playing hundreds of thousands of spins to build up a data model for this, which has really identified through data the best progressions, or sorry, the best patterns to actually intervene and bet on, and also what stage in that progression to bet. So this is the key with Roulette Sonar. What it's doing is it's identifying patterns, it's letting them roll for a certain period of time so that they are then more mature and the likelihood of them continuing is much lower. Normally to do this, you've got to sit in front of the computer, you've got to spin, and you've got to watch every single thing that the roulette game is doing. With this, you don't. You don't even need to watch the screen because as you can hear the alert, you can visually see the alert, and it will actually stop the game until you manually intervene to actually place your bet. So it's a fantastic piece of software. It'll save you a huge amount of time. So here we go, found another pattern now. This is the 4 alternating. So if you look down here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. and we've got black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red. So I'm going to bet against this again because I'm going to assume that that is not going to continue as a pattern. So we'll go red on this one and see how many progressions we need to go, and it's coming immediately. So again, we've won ourselves another £1. So we're £2 up on our initial game. We're 5 minutes into this roulette game, so we're not doing too badly. If you take the fact that the average hourly wage for somebody working in the UK is between £8 and £9, we've won £2 in 5 minutes, then we're on track to certainly beat the average hourly rate for anybody working in the UK. So that's not bad, is it? It's not bad. Okay, let's start it rolling again, and we'll play one more pattern here for this game. So we would have won £3. Let's see if we can win £3 within 10 minutes. And it gives you just a slight insight into how this software works. And again, more videos are going to be coming up with more detail. Probably play some more aggressive style of roulette as well, just to give you guys more of an insight into how much money you can actually win with this if you're prepared to risk a little bit more. So this is a single color sequence alert. I've set it to look out for 5 blacks. 5 blacks or 5 reds, whatever. Again, that's quite aggressive. You can set that number to anything you want. I would normally play it at around 8. So I'm going to take a risk on this one just because I'm trying to showcase to you guys what this stuff does. Let's try a red at this point and see if it comes in. It's not coming straight away. Let's try for another progression. So and again, it hasn't. So we'll go one more time. Let's see if it's coming in, and it's going to go a lot further for us this time, obviously. Let's see if we get it in on 4th progression, and it's come in. So we've won our £1 back on that one, but it's cost us slightly more to do that. So again, you have to be mindful of your bankroll when you're playing the martingale progression strategy. I tend to do that because I'm pretty confident that the numbers are going to come in at some point, but again, it can completely wipe you out if you're using martingale and you're using the software in this particular way. And I'm playing pretty aggressive. So for example, if I'd set it up as I would normally have it, how many have we got here? We've got 8, haven't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So there's 8 blacks in a row there. So what would have happened if I had it set to 8 is it would have said, right, stop, there's 8 blacks there. Have a go at betting red. I would have bet red and I would have won my £1 back immediately. As that one fell in. So there we go. I'm going to stop there. We have been running now for 7.5 minutes. We've won ourselves £3 UK. It's not a huge amount, but if we multiply that up for the hour, we would be winning somewhere in the region of, quick maths, it's going to be something like £14 or £15 an hour at that rate, which isn't too bad. It's above the average earning rate for the UK, and that's only us betting £1 every time one of these alerts comes in. Obviously, if we'd bet £5, we would have won 15 within 7 minutes, but your risk is much higher. So many more videos to come. If you would like to know more, please feel free to ask questions in the comments below on this video, and I will be answering all of those questions. And yeah, look out for more videos, and please bear with us whilst we're working on this full automation update, because I'm really proud of that, and can't wait to show you guys how this system can actually work when it's betting for you as well. So thanks very much for watching this demo. Really appreciate it, and we'll speak soon.